everyone, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the October Villa Beautiful kit, Autumn Lane. So let's get started. So this month's plastic envelope that it was packaged in comes with some really cute fall detailing on here. We've got the coffee cup, pumpkins, apples, lots of leaves and acorns. This is just really perfect for fall. First up from the kit, we have this pack of tapped bookmarks. We get 3 in the pack and they all feature gold foil details. So this first one has some gold foiled speckles and it's got leaves and like a floral pattern to it. The second one has a foiled pumpkin and kind of an ombre watercolor background. And the third one has some really pretty florals and then a today header, which is perfect to find your place in your planner super quick. Next up, we have a pack of 5 journaling cards. Again, all of these are foiled. These are 3x4 size and perfect if you use a micro happy planner. You can just punch them on the side and they fit right in. Oh, I love this one. I'm not sure if you can tell what the foiled quote says. It says, "Fall is proof that change is beautiful." I love that one. But I think I like fall most of all. And then this, absolutely my favorite. I love a good flat lay. This month we also get a slim folder again. This was first featured in the anniversary kit this year. If you're not sure how to use this, there is a blog on the Villa Beautiful website where I show all kinds of different ways you can pack it, different ways to carry it, even if you don't use a traveler's notebook. But yeah, this is such a great way to carry in lots of different things. You've got little slots right here, you've got a big pocket, 2 pockets on each of the sides, and then it just fits really nicely in your purse or planner. This month we also get a full notepad instead of the smaller sticky notes. So you've got Monday through Friday and then the weekend has its own blog. So this is great for like quick meal planning or jotting down quick lists or like highlights of your week. And then I just want to zoom in right there on that bottom pattern. I thought that was so pretty. And you, as always, get tons of pages to work with. See, this might even fit inside the slim folder. Let me see if I can just take a page off. And it's not sticky or anything. It's just a regular notepad. Oh, almost. So if you trim a little bit off the sides, you can even stick that into your slim folder. But just an idea size-wise of what you can do with this. As always, one of my kit favorites in every single kit, this sticker book. So we've got the kit date and the kit title here. And then she's also started including this every month, the smaller page of deco. I'll just zoom in on that because these are so pretty. And then so far, all of them have had the actual kit pin and the kit pin title here. So if you like to keep track of the pins that you have, that is a great way to do it. I just love that foiling on there. And then we'll flip through the sticker book. So these are the full boxes and all of this is gold foiled. I love this middle one here. And let's stay home, that's like my life motto. And then we've got the full sheet of circle icons with some banners, pay bills. And then some more full boxes, clip boxes, and 3/4 boxes at the bottom. A full sheet of half boxes. These are so good. And then we've got our headers and labels. And a couple of banner things down here. One of my favorite pages in all the sticker books, the full page of deco. Like how cute are those pumpkins and the letter boards. And then get real close there on that flat lay. And the little coffee trays too. This is like giving me serious farmhouse vibes. Yes, she went back to doing the 2. This may just be a one-off, but the kits used to have 2 sets of date covers, which was perfect because seriously, all of these stickers you get is not going to be used in 1 week. This is perfect for extending your kits to last even longer, or if you use multiple planners and you want your weeks to match. You also get a couple of tabs down here, some arrows, and then we've got the flags and the checklist, and some of those are foiled. And then we have the mini week sheet that can be used in hobos, print impression weeks, personal size planners, monthly layouts, anything where smaller stickers would fit for that. So many stickers. And then the back page, of course, has the overview of all of the things that you get and the kit name, just in case you like to keep that organized and reference it for what you have left. And 2 washies this month, a skinny and a standard size with gold foiling. It's very hard to see in here, so I'm going to take it out and roll it out a little bit. Okay, so here is the standard size. This one I believe she called Falling Leaves. Oh my goodness, that foil is so good. I mean, this would be good at the top or a bottom of a layout, honestly. Because you can, well, if it would stay focused, do it this way and have it from the top, or flip it around, have it coming from the bottom like leaves landing in a pile. There we go. Sorry it's not wanting to stay focused, but that is so pretty. And then we have the skinny sized one, there we go, which is kind of like a tiled pattern. And there's the foil. Sorry, I'm trying to move it slowly so it doesn't lose focus. This is really cute too. It's very unique. And this was a great surprise gift. I mean, she had teased it a little bit. If you follow her on Instagram, sometimes she does that. But we have a villabeauTIFFul clicky pen, so I'm going to open this up really quick. And here it is out of the packaging. I love this deep shade that she chose to go with. The VB logo is looking great on there. We've got gold hardware, and it is a clicker. Now this is not a gel pen like the regular crystal VB pens. This is a ballpoint pen, so just be mindful of that if you're looking for like refills or something. And I have no idea if this was just a one-off or if we can expect to see these in more kits or in the shop soon with different colors and hardware options. But I really love how much she spoils us with all of these fun new items. And the kit came with the refills as well. So this is the one that you always get when you get a VB pen or a kit, and this is for the ballpoint, so you shouldn't have any problem getting those two mixed up, but I think it's great that she went ahead and included that as well. Okay, y'all, I do not say this often because I think that it is such a cliche. I am obsessed with this pen shade. It's like a tan beige with a pink undertone though, like so gorgeous. The perfect neutral nude for me. I mean, I cannot get over it. Okay, so you've got the logo in white, you've got gold hardware, and then a beautiful mix of kind of a nude beigey tone and clear crystals. The perfect pen. Guys, I love this. Oh yeah, I'm digging this. This is working for me. New favorite pen, probably. This is definitely like top 3 pens, for sure. All right, last up, I have the paper pack add-on, which you can purchase separately whenever pre-orders go live for each kit. You get 2 specialty papers. This month we get 2 vellums. This one has kind of a plaid pattern to work with. And this one has some fun florals with like a cracked background. Almost be like tree bark. It's pretty cool. And then you also get 4 sheets of decorative cardstock, and these are all 8.5 by 11 inches, but they are folded, just to help with like packaging and shipping and all of that, which I think is nice because I like to use them as dividers, so it works great to have that crease already in there, and then I can just trim off the top and sides to whatever planner size I'm currently using. And then here is that 3rd sheet. And the last one. So lots of deep tones and fun patterns in this month's kit. Sorry guys, I also forgot one more thing. On the back of your tabbed bookmarks, there is a little plastic backing that you can peel off. Completely forgot to show that, but here we go. Simple, easy peasy. Tiffany really outdid herself with this month's kit. It is seriously putting me in a fall state of mind, even though it is still mostly 80s and 90s here where I live. I just love all of these colors and the patterns together. I'm really excited to set up a fall planner. And here's a look at all of the digitals that come with every kit that you pre-order. You get clip art and patterns, and these are great for designing your own journaling cards, planner covers, dividers, dashboards, and so much more. I have a few tutorials with different ideas for digital designing. Those are all on my Fun Stuff playlist if you want to check those out. And as always, in the description below, you can find a link to my Instagram, links for the villabeauTIFFul pages like the shop, Facebook group, and the new Pinterest page, and all of my discount codes. Don't forget to check out the VB blog page because there are a ton of great tutorials and projects from the VB design team on there. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I really look forward to seeing how everyone uses this kit and the digitals. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.